Welcome to the Primat.ca dashboard. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a skip tracing request. Step 1. Access the request form. To begin, click on the Skip Tracing button in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. The first step is to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the designated field. Once validated, you will be automatically redirected to the Location Request Management page. Step 2. Creating the request. To create a new request, click on New Skip Tracing File, either at the top right of the screen or in the side menu. You will then be directed to the Location Request form. Step 3. Selecting information and reason for the request specify whether you are searching for an individual or a business. Select the information you want to obtain, such as residential address, income source and employer, bank account details, and location. Then indicate the reason for your request, specifying why you need this information. Step 4. Entering information. Next, provide details about the individual or business you are looking for. If you need a faster response, check the Express option. First and last name, social insurance number, date of birth, phone number, and email. Last known address. Additional information that may help with the search. Step 5. Validation and payment. Once the form is complete, click Add to Cart. Then access your cart via the site header, where you'll see a summary of your request. To finalize your request, click Checkout. You will be redirected to the payment page. Click Order, then enter your credit card information if no card is registered on your account. Congratulations! You have successfully made your first skip tracing request.